Next topic is forward difference table. Now we just have to prepare a table. Now first thing are arguments, which are the value of x, and then we have entries, which is nothing but values of y or f of x. Okay. So let me take these values: x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, xy. Okay, let me take till x6, and then values of this y will be y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 and y6. Okay, or we can say this is f of x0, f of x1, f of x2 and so on. Now the forward difference, that is first difference here is del y, right, which is y1 minus y0, f of x1 minus f of x0. This is y1 minus y0. Next difference will be y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1, then y3 minus y2. Next will be y4 minus y3. Then we have y5 minus y4, and last one is y6 minus y5. These are first forward differences. Then second forward differences, that is differences of differences, which can be written as delta square of y. Okay, which will be difference between this and this point. Now this is nothing but first difference of y0, and this is delta of y1, right? This is delta of y2, delta of y3, delta y4 and delta y5. So forward difference of y5 is y6 minus y5. It is y0 plus 6 times h, right, minus y0 plus 5 times h. Okay. If you talk about this, this is delta of y0, that is y1 minus y0, f of x0 plus h minus f of x0. Similarly, this is f of x0 plus 2h minus f of x0 plus h, f of x0 plus 3h minus f of x0 plus 2h and so on. Now second difference will be delta of y1 minus delta of y0, right, which is nothing but second difference of y0. Here this can be written as delta of y2 minus delta of y1, which is second difference of y1. This third one, y3 minus y2, second difference of y2. y4 minus y3, second difference of y3, and last one is y5 minus y4, the second difference of y4. Then third difference, the third difference will be delta square of y1 minus delta square of y0, second difference of y1 minus second difference of y0. Similarly, second difference of y2 minus second difference of y1, second difference of y3 minus second difference of y2, y4 minus second difference of y3. Okay. This is third difference of y0, third difference of y1, third difference of y2, third difference of y3. Now if we talk about fourth difference, it will be difference between this and this, right? That is third difference of y1 minus third difference of y0, which is fourth difference of y0. Similarly, third difference of y2 minus third difference of y1, which is nothing but fourth difference of y1, and then third difference of y3 minus third difference of y2 is nothing but fourth difference of y2. So this is nothing but your forward difference table. Let's just solve one example on this. Now suppose these are the values of x and f of x given. Okay, we just have to form forward difference table of these values. Okay, so these are the values of x and y. Now we have to first find first difference of this. Okay, so this is your y0, y1, y2, y3, y4 and y5. Okay, the first difference is y1 minus y0. This 15 minus 12, which is nothing but 3. Second difference, 20 minus 15, 5. Third difference, 27 minus 20, 7. Then 39 minus 27, 12. 52 minus 39 is 30. So we got our first differences. Then we have to find second difference. So second difference will be this. This is your delta y0, delta y1, delta y2, delta y3 and delta y4. So second difference will be in between these first differences. So delta y1 minus delta y0, that is 5 minus 3, 2, 7 minus 5, 2, 12 minus 7, 5, 13 minus 12, 1. This is your second difference. So second difference of y0, second difference of y1, second difference of y2, second difference of y3. Now third difference will be in between the second differences, right, of y1 minus y0. So this is 0, 3 and here we have minus 4. We got third differences. So this is third difference of y0, third difference of y1, third difference of y2. Now we need to find fourth differences. So four differences will be in between these third differences. So of y1 minus y0, 3 minus 0, 3, minus 4 minus 3, minus 7. Then last is fifth difference, del phi of y. That is minus 7 minus 3, which is nothing but minus 10. So this is your forward difference table.